In this lesson, I will show you how to mirror your sketch entities. I will go inside this sketch to edit it. I want to mirror all of this entity to right side of the center line. I will activate that mirror entities tool from this sketch tab. From here, mirror entities. This is very straightforward and simple tool to use. You just have to select entities, which entity you want to mirror, and you have to select mirror about. First, I will select entities. I can use box selection, right to left. It selected everything. Now I will select mirror about. Here I will select this center line. And this is the preview. I will press OK. Now if I change anything from left side, it will change exactly the same to the right side. Even if I change to the right side, it will change exactly same thing to the left side.